Today I want to make some drill bit storage. So I thought the easiest way to do it would just be to take quite a large piece of wood. I got this from a pallet. And I think what I'm just going to do, I'm going to get quite a large drill bit and I'm just going to start drilling some holes in there for me to put my drill bits into. I think that's probably going to be the quickest and the easiest option. So let's put that in the vise and see how it goes from there. Before I start drilling the holes though, I'm just having a bit of a look at my drill bit collection, just to see what my biggest hole needs to be and what my smallest hole needs to be. Some drill bits like this tiny 1mm one, I don't really think I'm going to put in that wood there. I think I'll probably just keep it in this packet. I'm going to start drilling the holes with this 5mm dowel bit, and then I'm going to use a 25mm bit to get the final shape of the hole. I've put this block here with a straight line drawn on it to make sure I get the drill bit nice and straight. Some of these holes aren't quite big enough, so I am going to have to do just a little bit of adjusting. I'm going to write on them in Sharpie pen what size they are. So there is the storage unit, all nicely filled up with all of the drill bits that I'm going to put on it. As I mentioned earlier, I've got these two spare holes. They're just holding some pencils and a marking knife at the moment. But if I ever get any more drill bits, or possibly even a router bit, they will be able to fit in there nicely. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you have enjoyed the video, please feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Thanks, goodbye.